Many women struggle financially. I've been there, living paycheck to paycheck, worried about bills, feeling trapped. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can break free. You can achieve financial security. You can build a life of abundance. It starts with your mindset. For years, I struggled with my own financial beliefs. I grew up believing that money was scarce, that it was selfish to want more. But I learned something powerful. Our thoughts create our reality. If you believe you're destined for struggle, you'll stay stuck. But if you believe in your ability to create wealth, you open up a world of possibilities. That's the power of a wealthy mindset. It's not about how much money you have today. It's about your beliefs about money. It's about your vision for your financial future. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, and it's something every woman can achieve. This is your journey to financial freedom, a journey of empowerment, a journey of possibility. Are you ready to begin?
Your mindset is everything. It shapes your actions. It determines your results. If you want to change your financial reality, you must start by changing your thoughts about money. What do you believe about wealth? Do you believe it's only for a select few? Do you believe you're not good with money? These are limiting beliefs. They hold you back from achieving your full potential. A wealthy mindset is about abundance. It's about believing there's enough for everyone. It's about knowing you're worthy of financial success. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. Shifting your mindset takes time and effort. It's about becoming aware of your limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones. It's about surrounding yourself with positive influences. It's about celebrating your successes along the way. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You have the power to create the life you desire. Believe in yourself. Believe in your ability to attract wealth. The journey starts within.
Ready to rewrite your financial story? Here are 5 steps to cultivate a wealthy mindset. 1. Dream big. Imagine your ideal financial future. What does it look and feel like? Don't hold back. Write down your biggest goals and aspirations. 2. Challenge limiting beliefs. Identify the negative thoughts that hold you back. Replace them with positive affirmations. For example, instead of "I can't afford that," tell yourself, "I'm attracting abundance into my life." 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Learn about personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. Read books, attend workshops, follow financial experts. 4. Surround yourself with success. Connect with positive and supportive people. Seek out mentors and role models who inspire you. 5. Take action. A wealthy mindset without action is like a car without gas. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, you are in control of your financial destiny. By changing your mindset and taking action, you can create the life of your dreams.
Section 4. From Struggle to Success. Inspiring Stories of Women's Wealth. You are not alone on this journey. Countless women have overcome financial challenges to achieve incredible success. Their stories are a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and a wealthy mindset. Take, for instance, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She started with just $5,000 and an idea. Today, she's a self-made billionaire. Her story reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and belief in yourself. Then there's Madam C.J. Walker, who became America's first female self-made millionaire in the early 1900s. She built a hair care empire from scratch, empowering countless women along the way. Her story shows us the transformative power of entrepreneurship and financial independence. These women and countless others serve as powerful reminders that financial freedom is within reach for any woman willing to embrace a wealthy mindset and take charge of her financial future. Let their stories ignite your passion and inspire you to achieve your own dreams.
Section 5. Investing in your future. Smart strategies for growing your wealth. Building wealth is not just about earning money, it's about making your money work for you. Investing is a crucial tool for growing your wealth over time. Start by understanding the basics of investing. Learn about different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Explore different investment strategies. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated. There are countless resources available to help you get started. One key principle of investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to manage risk. Another crucial factor is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Investing is about creating a legacy for your family. By making smart investment decisions, you can secure your financial future.
Section 6. Breaking the cycle, building generational wealth for women. For too long, women have been left out of conversations about wealth creation and inheritance. It's time to break this cycle. Building generational wealth empowers future generations of women. Talk openly about money with your children, especially daughters. Teach them budgeting, saving, and investing. Encourage their entrepreneurial spirit. Set up a trust or college fund for a financial head start. Mentorship is powerful for building wealth. Share your financial knowledge and experiences. Empower them to make informed financial decisions and build legacies.
Section 7. Claim your power. Embrace your journey to financial freedom today. You've heard the stories. You've learned the steps. Now it's time to claim your power. Embrace your journey to financial freedom. It starts today. Start small. Set a budget. Save a little each month. Invest in your education. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. Remember, you are worthy of financial security. You are capable of achieving your dreams. Believe in yourself. Believe in your ability to create wealth and never, ever give up. This is your time. This is your moment. Step into your power. Embrace the journey. Financial freedom awaits.